My name is Brian Langley, and I am the Eastern Regional Sales Manager for Metcal. Today, what we'd like to do is we'd like to introduce you to the PT4-4000 and our PT4-8000 preheater. So if you think about preheaters and what has historically been offered in the market, you generally think about IR or convection. Both of those technologies tend to overheat the work area. So with this design, we've tried to mitigate that using our resistive radiant heat technology. You can work on small applications and only work on a concentrated area, or larger applications opening up the area that you're heating. The unit provides 4 individual heating zones. Each zone consists of a resistive heating grid on top of a ceramic plate that is slightly cupped. This forces the heat to be refracted upwards towards the bottom of the board, and as it radiates through the tempered glass, it smooths out any hot spots or concentrations of heat. The PT4-4000 offers a total working area of 9.5 inches by 9.5 inches, or a 4.5 by 4.5 per zone area. The PT4-8000 offers a total working area of approximately 14 by 16 inches and 7 by 8 inches per zone. There are 3 basic modes for operating the system: temperature mode, power mode, and profile mode. The unit allows you to set a ramp rate from 0.1 C per second to 2 C per second, thereby controlling the output. When profiling is desired, the system offers a learning mode you can create and store up to 25 individual profiles. It offers the ability to keep it simple by offering 3 preset profiles. If there's a need to set very specific profiles, the system offers the ability to create profiles from scratch where you dictate the target points. The bottom line is the unit offers an intuitive interface that allows you to address any application with the complexity needed or simplicity desired. Along with the preheater, we have redesigned our board holder. This board holder offers adjustable height for setting the board offset, rubber pads to keep the board holder from sliding around while moving and replacing boards. The primary rails slide back and forth, while the 8-finger holders allow for offsets for irregular shaped boards to be held securely. The back rail has a spring-loaded release, allowing for quick removal and placement of boards. While we can't cover everything in a short video, we do hope this has given you a good overview of the product. If you would like more information or you'd like a live demo, please feel free to contact your Test Equity local representative or your Metcal local representative based on where you're located. Thanks much.